about that. He can take pictures of himself all day. I'm looking at the art.
What's up, y'all? How's it? I'm Dust.One. I'm an artist from Sacramento, California, and in this video we're gonna be doing a memorial piece for one of my really good friends whose wife or life partner passed away from breast cancer earlier this year. She was fighting breast cancer for a couple years, and this year she went to a better place. And so in this video we did a mural for her, and also just a healing element for my good friend Jesse, who has been left with 2 boys to raise on his own, and his whole life changed in the blink of an eye. So down in the comments below, just give him some love, give him some support, give him some words of encouragement, and let's get to the video. This mural actually has a lot of different elements into it, and this first piece was a hummingbird. Crazy story behind the hummingbird is that once Camille passed, there was these hummingbirds that would come around the house, which they weren't coming around before. And while we're painting this piece, these hummingbirds would come in and out of the trees, and we took it as a sign that Camille was there in spirit and she was giving us her blessing. So we did the hummingbird to represent a free spirit, and then we also did the flowers and the water to represent the beauty of the life that Camille lived while she was here. If you look closely, you can see all these rectangles and squares in the middle of the flower, and basically what that is we needed to cover up the writing that was there. That was the last handwritten message that Camille wrote to the boys. Her and my boy Jesse share a son together, and she also helped my boy Jesse raise his oldest son. And so she was very involved with both of the boys' lives, and she wrote a message on the wall, which you will see at the end of the video of what it says. But we just wanted to make sure we taped it off and preserved it so it can forever be there. We ended up doing the breast cancer awareness ribbon with Polynesian motifs inside it, which represent her strength and courage and protection for the boys and the family and the household as they go through a transitional period in their life. each element in this piece is a very sentimental meaning to my boy Jesse. The opposite side had the Filipino sun rising, which this side is the sunset, and it has a silhouette of Camille and their son that they share together. And we also wanted to make sure we added some 49er flair into them, as they are all diehard 49er fans. And the original piece that I put up, I didn't like the flow of the letters, so I wanted to redo it, and that's what I'm doing here, just to make it more legible, more cleaner. Alright y'all, we made it to the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down in the comments below. Let me know how you deal with loss. There's so many ways to deal with it. Me personally, when I have loss, I kind of just soak myself in with my art and just go into create mode. I've lost a lot of friends over the years, including Camille. And I know a piece of my friend Jesse is left as well. So, but nonetheless, show him some love, give him some support, and down in the comments below, give him some nice words, some words of encouragement, and ways to get through his loss and his family's loss. And nonetheless, let's get to the final product. All right, y'all, let's get it.